You've probably seen videos like this: a Rolls-Royce crushed by a giant boulder, a rusty crane smashing a car, a dump truck flattening another Rolls-Royce. All of these are AI-generated and posted by the same Instagram page, and they're going insanely viral. Just a few days ago, I came across one of these videos. It showed a luxury Rolls-Royce parked under a cliff. Suddenly, a huge excavator picks up a massive boulder and crushes the car. When I checked the stats, I was shocked. 197 million views, 3.8 million likes, nearly 40,000 comments. And here's the kicker. The page only had 28 videos and already gained over 200,000 followers in just a few months. This creator isn't just posting on Instagram. I found their YouTube channel too. Same videos. They've already hit 80,000 subscribers and each short racks up millions of views. Now, they're earning over $1,000 a month each from ad revenue alone. Plus, they're selling a $9 paid guide on how to make these car crash videos. Do the math. Even if 500 people buy, that's over kier paisapakaig from the guide alone. That's when I thought, why not teach you how to do the same? I'll show you how to create these viral videos using free AI tools. This method is 100% free. No fluff, no paid software, no fancy camera. Even if you're starting with $0, you can do this. Just sit back, grab a drink, and stay with me till the end. This isn't going to be one of those rushed 5-minute tutorials that leave you more confused. I'm literally going to show you every tool, every prompt, every step in plain language. I'll even recreate one of their most viral videos, the one with nearly 200 million views, and show you the whole process, from image to animation to final edit. Why these videos go viral. The most popular video is a luxury blue Rolls-Royce parked under a cliff. A huge excavator lifts a boulder. You wait, and then it drops, crushing the car completely. Why does this work? Suspense. You keep watching to see if the car escapes. Shock. The impact surprises the viewer. Loop potential. The ending feels so satisfying you want to rewatch. This kind of video grabs attention and keeps people watching, which triggers the Instagram and YouTube algorithm to push it to millions more. This niche is perfect for faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram pages. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Generate AI images. We're going to recreate a viral scene using AI. First, go to the original video and take 32 key screenshots. 1 just before the stone is dropped and 1 right after the car is smashed. Use the outsnipping tool to capture both of these moments. Now paste both images into ChatGPT and type, "Give me a detailed prompt to recreate the first image." Make sure it includes all environmental aspects. ChatGPT will break everything down for you, including camera angle and movement, scene description, lighting and atmosphere, animation timing. Then type, "Now give me a video animation prompt based on these 2 shots. First, when the car is fine, and second, when it's completely smashed after the stone drops. Irugi, give me the full transformation animation prompt." Now, you'll have both prompts, one for the static image and one for the animation. Step 2, create the image head to Entu Leonardo AI or ideogram, but I image FX from Google, which is totally free and more powerful. Sign up and click on Image Generation. Before pasting the prompt, set aspect ratio to 9.3 and SEO, perfect for Reels, Shorts, TikTok. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click Generate. Pick the best version. You can add multiple things in the prompt after seeing the first results if you do want to make changes in colors, CAR, or scene. Make sure the car is under the excavator. The environment looks dramatic. The camera angle feels cinematic. Image FX will give you multiple images. You have to choose the best one. Finalize the right shot and download the image. Step 3. Animate the image. Now let's move on to Hailu AI Video, Sidue, or you can also use Galing AI, Google AI Studio, or Hyper AI. All of them work well, but personally, I prefer Hailu AI because it's simple and gives great results. Once you're on the platform, choose the Image to Video Shihaku option. Since we already have our image and the animation prompt ready, thanks to ChatGPT, this next step is super quick. Here's the cool part. Hailu gives you 175 free credits when you sign sign up. And guess what? It only takes 25 credits to generate a 6-second video. It's eating. So you can make multiple clips without spending a penny. Now go ahead and upload the image you created earlier. In the description box, paste the video animation prompt that ChatGPT gave you. This tells the AI exactly how to animate your scene. Next, choose your camera movement. There are tons of cinematic options like zoom, pan, rotate, and more. Just pick the one that fits your video style. Once everything is set, hit generate. After a few moments, your video will be ready to download. Trust me, when you see the final result, you'll be amazed at how real and cinematic it looks. Step 4. Never run out of new content ideas. Let's be honest, one of the biggest fears when starting any content channel is this: what if I run out of ideas? It's a real concern. You might think, okay, I've made 5 to 10 car crash videos, but what next? How do I keep this going? The answer is simple. Let ChatGPT do the thinking for you. Whenever you feel stuck or your creativity hits a wall, just open ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 5 brand new viral car destruction scene ideas." Make sure each one includes a detailed image generation prompt and step-by-step animation instructions. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a fresh batch of ideas, not just random thoughts, but complete creative packs that include, for example, a car falling from space, crashing through a glass tunnel, or being hit by a meteor. You're not just getting an idea, you're getting the entire creative plan delivered to you instantly. Here is the pro tip. Don't stop at just 5. Ask for 10, 20, or even 50 ideas in one go. Save them in a Notion board or Google Doc and pull from that bank whenever you're ready to make your next video. This approach makes you unstoppable. While others spend hours thinking and planning, you're already executing and uploading. This is how the best faceless creators stay consistent. They use AI not just to create, but to ideate. So remember, every time you feel stuck or uninspired, every time your mind goes blank, every time you're unsure what video to make next, just open ChatGPT and ask. You'll never run out of content again. Step 5. Edit your video with CapCut. Alright, now it's time to bring everything together. And yes, we're going to use CapCut for this part. Even though CapCut has started charging for some features, don't worry. The free tools are still more than enough for what we need. Here's how to do it. 1. Open CapCut Web or Mobile, whichever is easier for you. 2. Start a new project. 3. Import your AI-generated video from Hiwo AI. Now start editing. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Use text captions to explain key moments. Drop in some cues, cool effects, to enhance the impact, especially during the crash or transformation scenes. CapCut is super beginner-friendly, so even if you've never edited a video before, you'll get the hang of it in minutes. Pro tip: keep your edits short, punchy, and focused on visual impact. These videos go viral when they're clean and fast-paced. Step 6. Add sound effects. Don't skip this. This step might seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Sound design is what brings your video to life. Imagine a car crashing with no sound. Boring, right? Here's how to add the perfect audio. 1. First, ask ChatGPT something like, "Give me 3 sound effects that match a car crash in slow motion with tension and drama." Or, "Give me cinematic sound prompts for a robot transformation scene." 2. Once you have the ideas, go to Akito 11 Labs. Paste the sound prompt into the tool. It'll generate multiple audio clips for you. 3. Download the one that sounds best. Now head back to CapCut. Import your audio file. Drag it into the end timeline. Sync it with the moment of impact, crash, or transformation. Finally, export your video in 1080p at 60 fps for crisp quality that looks amazing on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels. Now, let's talk monetization. So, you've created your first viral AI car crash video. You've edited it, added sound, and posted it online. It's getting views. But here's the real question. How do you turn that attention into actual money? Let me show you exactly how. Step 7. Create your paid guide. The first step to monetizing this whole process is simple. Create a guide, teaching others how to do what you just did. Open up Google Docs and start writing. Just imagine you're explaining it to a beginner. Walk them through the entire process, step by step. The AI prompts, how you animated the scene, how you edited it, added sound, all of it. Don't hold back. The more value you provide, the more people will be willing to pay for it. If you can, take a few screenshots of your workflow. Show the tools you used, maybe even a preview of your CapCut timeline or the prompt you gave to ChatGPT. Once your guide is complete, save it as a PDF. This will be your digital product, your first piece of passive income. Step 8. Promote your guide. Okay, now you've got a product and you've got a link. Let's get some eyeballs on it. Start by adding that link to your Instagram bio, your TikTok bio, and your YouTube channel description. Anywhere people are watching your videos, they should be able to find your guide easily. In every video you post, add a simple call to action in the caption or voiceover. Something like, "Want to learn how I made this? Click the link in my bio. I've put together a complete guide that walks you through it step by step." Here's the best part. Even if just one of your videos goes viral, your guide could make you money on autopilot. 80. Day and night while you sleep. People are curious. When they see high-quality AI content, they want to learn how to make it themselves, and your guide becomes the answer. That's how you turn views into real income.